So as a college or university student, you're more likely to be spending your time studying. And you can agree with me that you can never have enough pocket money. After all, there are endless amounts of things that needs money, apart from tuition like food, dates, trips, clothing. I mean, there are endless. And since just few college students have the time to take on a full-time job, it makes it harder for the average student to meet up. But with the booming advancement of technology and artificial intelligence, there are just some side hustles that are suitable for some students that requires less time and little investment. And in this video, I'm going to share just 6 of the side hustles that you could make money as a college student without much effort. So if this side hustle interests you, just kindly stick around, and you don't want to miss out on a number 6, as that's my favorite. So one of the side hustles that could fetch you good money as a college student without much investment and less effort is by turning your artwork into posters using AI. So this is a low investment side hustle to make money at the start of a semester when students are starting or resuming school and are looking for ways to decorate their rooms on a budget. So you may ask, how does this work? Well, you can utilize this site called Midjourney to produce really cool artwork and images where you can sell it as a digital file where your customer gets to print it themselves, or you can as well print out your masterpiece and sell it, which means you can also up the price and make good profit doing so. So another way to make money as a college or university student is to start an essay or thesis proofreading side hustle using AI such as Chatgpt. I know that the last thing you want to do after writing your own essay is proofreading other people's work. But with the help of OpenAI's Chatgpt, this is just a breeze and can get the work done within a few seconds. And the good part is that you get loads of exposure on how you should or shouldn't structure an essay. And unlike when you're doing your own work, you'll be getting paid for your time. So if you're interested in this kind of side hustle, the best place to start listing your services is some freelancer site like Upwork, Fiverr, and also word of mouth about your services among friends on campus. And you'll be surprised to find out that there are people out there that are looking for these kinds of services. So another cool side hustle to make money on campus with little investment is to create and publish storybooks or poem on Amazon KDP. So this is another cool and fun way to make money on campus as a student using AI. With artificial intelligence like OpenAI's Chatgpt, you're able to write stories, poems, and publish it on Amazon KDP without sweating it. Even if you don't have the skills, with the help of ChatGPT, will give you the breakdown on how to go about it. So if this kind of side hustle that interests you, I made a video earlier following step by step on how to research, create storybooks, and publish it on Amazon KDP. So if it interests you, I'll link the video right here. You just go ahead and check it out, or I'll leave it on the description box below. So just go ahead and check it out after this video. So another way to make money on campus using AI is to start a campus email newsletter. So creating and publishing a school newsletter can be an excellent way to keep everyone in the community informed and up to date. So this can be as simple or as complex as you would like it to be, but the end goal is to be informative, so to meet the need of your community. And with the help of OpenAI's Chatgpt, coming up with new ideas or what to write about to keep your audience engaged will be like a breeze. And also, to make money with this side hustle, you can sell advertising space to local businesses and start earning money while doing so. So another cool and fun way to make money on campus with no investment is starting a first YouTube channel using AI. At this point in time, AI is making video creation easy and simple. Whether you're creating marketing videos for your website or a YouTube video, you can now do that with any prior knowledge or without any expensive equipment. Because with AI sites like Synthesia, Pictory, and a bunch of other AI sites, you can make a YouTube video from start to finish, including scripting, creating an AI avatar for your video, or using voiceover, or even music to use on the background. So you can start making YouTube videos in any niche that interests you, get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can monetize your channel and you can start making money passively while doing so. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if you like videos like this, kindly leave your comment on the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly smash on that subscribe button and join the community. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.